So I just spotted a flock of siskins in top of that grey alder tree there. They're eating the nuts, or whatever you call these. That's fun. Haven't seen those here before. So guys, I just wanted to show you my kind of setup here in this forest for winter photographing of the birds. So this log right here, it's I found it just over there from a tree that broke down this spring. A very old tree with some woodpeckers in it. So that was a bit of a shame. And I supported it with some other logs here at the base, and now it's quite rigid where it sits. What I do is that I remove the bird feeders when I come here, and then I put some seeds in these all these spaces here, and then the birds hopefully will come here and eat from that, and I can have some nice photographs taken. And this one right here, it's you can see it's a broken birch, so that's a grey heron. That's nice. So this birch, as you can see, it's broken, but the stem is left here, and really nice with all this moss and aging on that this log. Okay, it's getting busy with the birds here now, so I'll set up right over here with my camera and my chair and my hide, and hopefully we'll be able to take some nice footage. Okay, I haven't been here for more than a few minutes, and already the blue tit and great tit and the robin that I just took pictures of are here. I can hear another robin behind me here. I've seen two blackbirds, and yeah, there it is. There's definitely a Goldcrest. Not that one. So it's looking good. They're eating the food of the logs like I was planning, and the hide and everything, they accepted me here. It's not a problem at all. They're just like maybe 5 meters in front of me here. So it's a really nice setup. Only problem I have today, guys, and this is a major oversight of me, is that I forgot my coffee. That's gonna be a rough one. But I'll just have to manage. Okay, seems like they're having a little break in the eating, so there's very little going on at the moment. But behind me here there's a pine tree, a small pine tree, and I've seen the Goldcrest been very active in that particular tree. So what I'm gonna do is just bring my chair and my camera and on the tripod. Now I'm going to go back there and see if I can get any pictures of the Goldcrest in that tree. Fingers crossed. The Goldcrest just flew away. It sat not even a meter above my head here, so but I think it flew away now. So guys, here he's back, or she. I've been attempting to photograph the Goldcrest for a little while. As you might know, it's a really small bird, and it's really fast, and it's really busy. So it's really hard to get the good pictures of it, and I haven't even attempted to film it. But the forest kinda went to sleep now. It's very calm here, so I think I'm gonna call it a day, head home. And as I was sitting here, I just wanted to tell, I saw a buzzard and 5 minutes later I saw a sparrowhawk, and both were flying that way down towards a large forest. So that's definitely something I need to check out in the future and see if I can maybe film and photograph those. That would be that would be nice. But for now, I'm just gonna head home and get myself some coffee, since I forgot that today. But thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember, get out and enjoy nature.